Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got a component from the hydryve system for my Pelican getaway. As you can tell from here that the one of the chain links has broken off. So what we're going to do today is we're going to reinstate this part right here. And we're going to knock the pin back in. And we're going to tack weld the pin onto the broken piece. Since this is not a pivoting joint, so it doesn't really matter, we're going to go ahead and weld it. So as you can see here, we have our steel cable, and we're gonna insert it like this. Gonna knock the pin back. There. All right, now all we have to do is tack weld this part without touching this part. All right, now before we go sticking everything together, remember you have to use the right electrode. Since this is stainless steel, we're using 316 electrode stainless, so that way there's not dissimilar metal trying to match each other up. And before then, because there's a little bit of grease right here, we're gonna go ahead and clean that off with some alcohol.